Hi, my name is Telnoza. I am 20 years old. I am from Uzbekistan, Central Asia. Currently, I am student of Turin Polytechnic International University in Tashkent. My field is civil engineering. As regard to my experience, I was a volunteer at youth organization Fond Forum and participated in events organized by this active organization. Also, I worked as operator in some foreign firm. Thus, I have an experience of computing such as Word, PowerPoint, Excel, Access. In my free time, I like reading books, listening to music, especially American jazz. Moreover, one of my usual habits is swimming. Cause after lessons at my university, I usually go to swimming pool and fitness. I desire to spend this evening summer in USA in order to gain work experience, to extend my worldview, of course, to improve my language skills. Sure, it's a good chance to be inspired by great city skyscraper, beaches and nature of America. I want to acquaint with American culture and people. Hopefully we will meet there several after months. Thank you.